Good morning, friends. Myself, I am Hade. Today we will see the practical on intersection of solids. So, in that we see the cases of prism, which is seen in our syllabus. So, let's start the how to draw the prism with prism center or prism with prism offset. Diploma Mechanical Engineering. So in that we see the intersection of solids. So let's start. Whenever two or more solids combine a definite curve in their intersection, it's called as curves of intersection. So in that very well there is a two or more section combine definite curve at intersection. This curve is called as curves of intersection. So in this diagram shows many of problems which is showing the intersection. So let's see the 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the intersection of solids. So what is a curve of intersection? So in case of intersection depend on the types of intersecting solid and the manner which they are intersect. The two intersecting solid having same type or different type is the possible combination as shown in figure. So there are the many two or more different intersect in different way. The axis of solids may be parallel, inclined, perpendicular or each other. The axes would be intersecting or coinciding. So the following case is used for the axis perpendicular and intersecting, the axis perpendicular and offset, the axis inclined and intersecting, the axis inclined and offset, the axis parallel and coinciding, the axis parallel and offsets. So write down firstly these curves of intersection, then start next section. First method, second. So there are two types of method. First is a line method, second is a cutting plane method. In line method, number of lines are drawn from lateral surface of one of the solids in the region of intersection of solids. The point of intersection of this line with the surface of other solids then located. These points these points of this line are located the surface of other solid then located. This point will be required in the line of intersection. They are more easily located from the view which the lateral surface of second point appear edgewise. The curves drawn from the points will be line of intersections. So write down this cutting plane method. बघा both sides बघा intersection of main pipe with main branch pipe. So that is a two cylinder. Second is a pump having shape hexagonal shape. So basically this is a steps for one solid will be standing on HP, second other penetrate horizontally, There are the three views. Name the views as per illustration. Beginning the side view, draw the three views. Also, the point of on standard generator on the standing solid can be marked on respective generator. The points of side view showing top view, dark and dotted line decision should be taken by observing side. So this is a problem. How to show the intersection of cylinder with cylinder? So firstly, mark all points. Then taking all these points on side view. So write down this. Firstly, what is a point? Common steps. So that is a square prism penetrated by both axes, 25 mm and 70 mm axis. Both the axes intersect. So that is a one prism, second prism, then intersecting with red edges A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Marking on this. This is a procedure. So this is the diagram in which show the different types of prism. So this is a required answer. Let's see the another example. Let's see the second points. Intersection of two prism. So there is a intersection of two prism. Intersection of cylinder with cylinder. So in this, there is a one cylinder having lateral dimension curves. The line of intersection will be also a curve. The point of this line may be located at any above the method. So basically, this is a types of cutting plane method. So in this diagram, the plotting the accurate curve, certain critical key points, which are the changes direction, must be located. So today we will see the basic of intersection of prism with prism. So basically, what are the basic steps? So intersection of solids is a penetration of typical curve formed by two common both solids. Basically, it showed some machine components, that is the intersection of solids. Dust collector, then feeding hopper, forge end, then two cylindrical surfaces, then pump having shapes. Then so there are the cases: cylinder with cylinder, square with cylinder, cone with cylinder, prism with cylinder, square prism with square prism, cylinder with cone. So in case of cylinder with cylinder, there is a one the first case is square prism standing and square prism penetrating. So in that we see the firstly, so two prism as shown in figure. So first prism is vertical, another is horizontal. So there is a problem: a square prism 30 mm base, sides and 70 mm axis, which completely penetrated by another square prism 25 mm sides and 70 mm axis horizontally. Both the axes intersect and bisect each other. full stop. All the faces of prism are equally inclined to VP. Draw the projection and showing curves of intersection. So in that we see the curves of intersection. So what is the curves of intersection? What is the procedure of problem? So firstly, draw the XY line, name as XY line. Then draw the actual views of first prism side 30 mm. Then mark as a name 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, extend this line on front view. So there is a top view and front view of first prism. Name as 1, 2, 3, 4 dash. There is a 144 angle line to draw the side view. So with the help of that, draw the side view. With the help of that, draw the side view. Similarly, name as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Then draw the second prism 25 mm sides and 70 mm axis. Both the prism intersect and bisect each other. So all the faces of prism are equally inclined to VP. So draw the projection of prism. Name as A, B, C, D dash. So there is a there is a BD, there is a C. So A, BD and C. Mark as full length. Then firstly mark first horizontal points, that is a D. So mark D, similarly mark B on top view of the prism and mark the sides. So whenever it intersect on points, left side is given as P, right side given as Q. So there is a 1 point, second points. Similarly, name P1, P2, P3. So 3, 4, 3. Similarly, on both sides and mark the points and join these points 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So in this way, this is shown by dotted line. So this is actual views which is used for problem. So in this way we see the problem. So let's see the problem. So firstly draw the prism 30 mm, another square is 30 mm perpendicular to each other. Then draw the side view, front view of an object. Then draw the another square, name as so mark these points and join this point. Join this point. Join all. So this is a horizontal square prism which shown in the problem. So next, project all points in top view, front view. Mark these points. So extend all points. First prism is 50 mm side, second prism is 30 mm sides, vertical prism is 50 mm sides, horizontal prism is 60 mm side. length of the prism axis. So assuming length 100 mm, which is both prism having 100 mm length. So mark these points on front view prism point. So there are the two methods. One is a 45 angle line drawn, or then draw the circle. Similarly, third points mark on this front view. Mark also these on front view. Then project all lines. This is a side view, whole length of the horizontal prism with the dimensions 1, 2, 3, 4. Name as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Similarly, A dash, B, C, BD, B dash, D dash. There is a C dash, C double dash. So take a points using, there is a length 1, 3, 2, 4. So mark these points on these points 2, 2, 4, 4. So there is a same 4, 1, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. There is a 4 dash. So mark these points on this line and also mark this point on this line. So P1, P1. Similarly, 2, P2. Mark on this on with the help of horizontal. That is a P2, P2. Last also middle. So dark all these points. Final. So this is your required final answer. So how to show the prism with prism intersecting? So thank you. So thank you. Good morning friends.
रामिका ऐप जो है